Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can refresh the tabs of the website in Safari. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the launchpad. If you want to open the Safari from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open this from this here, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, I'm going to open a random website. For example, I'm going to open the Facebook. So let's open the Facebook and simply let's click on this. And let's open this. So as you can see, the website is open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on this icon. As you can see, it has an icon. So we have to click on this icon. If you want to reload this image, we need to click on this. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, the website will be refreshed. And we have another method, which is the shortcut key. Usually in Windows, we press the F5 for refresh. But in MacBook, we have to press the Command and R. And after pressing the Command and R, it will be automatically refreshed. Simply, you have to hold the Command button, and then you have to press the R button, and it will be refreshed. So in this both way, you can refresh the any kind of tab or any kind of website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.